Welcome back to Product Critique, the place where we bring you in-depth, no-fluff reviews of the best products out there. Today, we're diving into the best baby carrier ergonomic newborn wrap on Amazon. The Sleepy Wrap Stretchy Ergonomic Baby Carrier Sling in dark gray. Whether you're a new parent or preparing a baby registry, this wrap may be the hands-free solution you've been looking for. Let's get right into it. The Sleepy Wrap is designed for babies from 7 all the way up to 35 pounds, so you can start using it from day 1 and continue well into toddlerhood. It's not just a wrap, it's a soft cocoon of comfort that keeps your baby close to your chest, right where they want to be, and right where your arms usually get tired holding them. But what really sets this wrap apart is its fabric. A soft French terry blend made of 57% cotton, 38% polyester, and 5% spandex. That mix gives it just the right amount of stretch without being overly elastic. So when you tie it on, it stays snug, no constant adjusting, no sagging, no stress. You get a supportive wrap that conforms to your body and your baby's natural position. And yes, it's breathable and gentle on your baby's delicate skin. Now let's talk about support. This isn't one of those wraps that leaves your shoulders aching after 20 minutes. The Sleepy Wrap is built with ergonomic balance in mind. Each tie creates a custom fit that distributes your baby's weight across your back and shoulders evenly. That means you can walk, shop, cook, or even just relax, all while keeping your baby secure and calm, and doing it with comfort. And if you're wondering about convenience, the Sleepy Wrap is machine washable and dryer safe. It's also compact enough to fold up and tuck into your diaper bag, leaving plenty of space for bottles, wipes, or extra clothes. There's also something emotionally grounding about this wrap. Studies have shown that baby wearing can help reduce crying and fussiness, sometimes by up to 43%. The Sleepy Wrap allows your baby to hear your heartbeat, feel your warmth, and smell your scent. It's like giving your newborn the 4th trimester they really crave. And because it comes in a sleek, neutral dark gray, it's stylish and versatile, something that both moms and dads can feel comfortable wearing. The wrap has adjustable straps and fits all body types, making it a true unisex baby-wearing solution. Let's not forget, this product is also a part of Amazon's Small Business Spotlight. So by purchasing it, you're not just making a great decision for your family. You're supporting a small brand dedicated to quality and care. If you're looking for an ergonomic, comfortable, and affordable baby carrier that keeps your little one close, helps reduce crying, and makes parenting hands-free and stylish, then yes, it absolutely is. Thanks for watching this episode of Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming deep dives into the best gear for your life. See you in the next video.